So in this video, I'll tell you how you can easily watch Squid Game Season 2 for free. So do watch the video till the end because there are two ways to watch it. So do understand my words. So the first step is to just know the release date of the Squid Game Season 2, and it is 26th December, and you can see now there are only 10 minutes left for the 26th December. So I'm also just trying to explain you that how you can watch it. So do watch the video till end because there are some ways I have told you in this video. And the first step is to just buy the Netflix membership, but no one will buy it. So let's go and redirect to our second step, which is recommended for everyone. So just open the link in my description, which is of my Instagram profile, and there you need is first to follow me. Then there will be some type of thing available in my highlights. You can also ask some questions in my comment box, or just go and text me on my Instagram account, and I'll also give the answers of your queries in my Instagram account. It's so easy and it is 100% approved. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, because in future there will be more videos uploaded. So thanks.